Alright, so I got a broken MXR carbon copy delay pedal. The issue is unknown, so right off the bat, it's missing some back screws, so the back plate comes off. And I can tell that the foot switch here is dysfunctional. It's not making the proper noises, and it's just, you can move it around. So let's plug it in and see what we can do. It lights up. I have the power supply plugged in and the output jack plugged in. I'm going to turn on the amp now, and you can hear the signal. So let's plug in the input jack and turn some knobs, because clearly the pedal is turned on automatically. Okay, so the delay portion of this pedal I can manipulate, and it changes tone. Okay, strange. Now the noise went away. The mod button turns on and off, and the switch does not turn the pedal on and off. So the pedal is turned on at all times. It needs a new foot switch. It is detached from the actual mechanism on the PCB. And because it was riding loose and able to turn, it did cut into this electrolytic capacitor. Right off the bat, I'm going to replace the electrolytics and replace the foot switch and see if the pedal works then. Works. Let's turn it on.